Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm showing you the 1/64th scale RC forklift from Amazon. This is in the $25 range. Alright, see, it's demonstrating now how easy it is to pick up the little pallet and load it on the trailer. Super easy. You have two speeds, so you can have it on fast speed or slow speed. Slow things down so you can maneuver better and more precise. Okay, here we're gonna hook onto the trailer. You have a swivel there, so you can just swivel down the hitch and you're good to go. Take off. And you can pivot like a normal trailer. Rubber tires, metal body on the forklift, and metal forks. Very cool. I think it's a win-win with this one. Can't go wrong. It is fully proportional. You can control the forks with the top two buttons. One on the right, one on the left. And you have forward and left and right steering. And also reversed. Or reverse rather. Very cool. See here you can change the forks over to a hook. You slide them over to the notch and then you can get them out of there. I'll make it look harder than it actually is. That's how it goes when you're trying to video something. Sometimes. There we go. You can just put the hook on there. I'm going to use that method. We're going to demonstrate a little bit with the trailer how you can lift something of weight that has weight to it. Simple to change the attachments. I get it hooked on there and now I'll see how well it's able to lift the weight of the trailer. Alright, there we go. Let's see what it can do. Oh, easy. No problem. See if we can go all the way up. Easily. Very cool. Let's get it unhooked now. There we go. Yeah, here, trailer. Now let's see if the forklift can lift its own weight by lowering the hook down onto the trailer. Here we go. Yes, it can. Oh no. Uh-oh. Slipped off. We have to reset. Try again. If first you don't succeed, try again. Nice. There we go. You can do it. Awesome. Alright guys, appreciate you stopping by. Keep coming by for the latest RC products that I find on the web. Stay tuned for the unboxing. You can see what all comes with. Kind of have it reversed here so you get to see what it has before you get to see the box. So enjoy, and thank you so much for all your support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks again guys. Have a great day. Bye.